Welcome to INSPIRE's Modern Farmhouse. Today we're going to show you some simple decor hacks you can use to decorate your everyday space for the upcoming holidays. There are 4 main areas of the room we'll focus on: the table, the door, the bookshelf, and the sofa. First is Halloween. With minor changes and a continuous color scheme, you'll have the perfect blend of scary and chic. One simple change we made was swapping our everyday wreath with a Halloween-themed one. Next, we added fall garland, pumpkins, and a spooky sign to our bookshelf. We switched out the pillows with ones to match our fall color scheme. The centerpiece was by far my favorite. We added a tray of eerily decorative elements. With adding a few more decorations around the room, your home is now set for the perfect Halloween event. With Thanksgiving quickly approaching, here's how we transitioned Halloween to Thanksgiving. Adding a punch of color to our existing color scheme helps everything look complete. We swapped the door decoration to a wreath with fall motifs and colors. On the bookshelf, we kept our leaf garland, but replaced the Halloween decor with pumpkins and gourds. We switched back to our original everyday pillows for a neutral, casual feel. The table is set for a family gathering. Our homemade wood placeholders add a personal touch and a keepsake for your guests to take home. A few more accents were added around the house to complete the look. Finally, it's time for Christmas. We repositioned our furniture to prominently display our tree through the front window. Changing to a new color scheme and adding simple changes really transforms the space. Simply adding a frosted pine bough with plaid ribbon was a quick addition to our front door. We rearranged some items on the shelves and added accents of red and greens. Less is more when it comes to decorating your dining table for Christmas. It gives you a space to wrap presents or make popcorn garland for the whole family. Additional red and green accents with a touch of homemade decor gives the final touch for a warm and cozy space to bundle up and spend time with family. We hope some of these tips will inspire your holiday decor. Happy holidays from INSPIRE.